Do you need to be on hair loss medication after a hair transplant? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Dr. Parsa Mohebi, Medical Director and founder of Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration. So, people are asking me if they have to take medication after a hair transplant procedure. The answer has to do with different factors. We are seeing different people that are in different stages of hair loss. If you're losing hair and you just started losing hair and you have family pattern of hair loss, or in microscopic evaluation we see you have a lot of future hair loss that coming your way, we probably want to protect your existing hair. Otherwise you have to keep chasing it with more hair transplant. So we give these patients medications, usually DHT blockers in the chemical form, which is finasteride, or herbal form, which we have it in Mohebi Life products. So these medications can slow down the process of hair loss. So you have more time to enjoy your hair, and your next hair transplant that you may need is going to be way in the future. However, sometimes people come to us when the hair loss is complete. So we call it a matured hairline. We call it a mature balding. So meaning that whatever you were supposed to lose is gone. They come with a rim of hair on the scalp, and the borders of that mature hairline is almost solid. So we know that they're not going to lose more hair. These people probably don't need to take medication. And if they do need to take medication after procedure, it's going to be for a very short period of time after procedure to protect that edge of the hair against shock loss that could be seen after hair transplant. So again, if you want to take medication, or if you need to have medication after procedure, we're talking about 𝗵𝗶𝗍, Rogaine, herbal medications like Mohebi Life, saw palmetto, pumpkin seed oil, and stuff like that. And your doctor will walk you through that and will tell you what's the best option for you. I hope you learned from this video, and if you have any other questions, put them in the comment section, and don't forget to follow us on social media.